This is the Nitecore Pocket 10,000. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank with a built-in USB-C charging cable. Alright, so real quick I want to thank Nitecore for sending this out to me to check out and review. Anyways, let's take a closer look at this power bank. So like I was saying in the beginning, this power bank has a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity with a max output of 22.5 watts. It has an integrated two-way fast charging USB-C cable that can be used to charge your devices as well as to charge the power bank itself. It can output at 20 watts and has an 18 watt input. There's also an additional USB-C port on the other end that supports power delivery and quick charge 3.0. This port can output the max 22.5 watts and has an 18 watt input. For reference, it can charge my iPhone 15 Pro Max 1.5 times. It also supports pass-through charging, so you can recharge the power bank while charging another device. It has a really simple but premium design. It's ultra thin and lightweight at only 160 grams, with the shell made of carbon fiber. It's 105mm tall, 70mm wide, and just 12.5mm thick. It complies with the UN 38.3 standard, so it's airline safe. The power level display is on the side. It has 4 blue LED indicator lights that show the charging status and the power level. This power bank has a lot of safety built in. It has overcharge protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, over discharge protection, and thermal protection. The Pocket 10,000 will also auto-detect and optimize charging for low-current devices like wireless headphones. It has an IP65 rating, so it has the highest protection against dust and is water-resistant. This has been my everyday power bank because I don't have to bring extra cables around with me, and it's thin enough to fit in my pocket even with my phone in it. I'm a camera guy, so I can just pull this out when I need to charge my cameras or drones. I think the only thing I would fix with this power bank would be to have a built-in Qi 2 or MagSafe charger. Yeah, I know it would make it thicker, but it would have been nice if it could hold onto my phone when it's charging instead of me making sure to have a grip over the whole thing. So in case you decide to pick this up, here's what you get in the box. Just this. They actually didn't send me this in a box, but I was told there were no other accessories that come with this. It pretty much has everything you need already, so I'm not sure what they could have included with this power bank. But yeah, thanks again Nitecore for sending this out to me, and if you have any questions about it, just drop them in the comments and I'll eventually get to it. I'm pretty slow at checking my comments. I'll do it.